Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 campaign. First, you will need to launch the game on your preferred platform, whether it's a console or PC. Once the game loads, you'll find yourself on the main menu. From there, simply select the campaign option. It's important to make sure all necessary campaign files are downloaded to avoid any interruptions during your thrilling spy adventure. The Black Ops 6 campaign offers a range of challenges with 4 difficulty settings: Recruit, Regular, Hardened, and Veteran. Recruit is perfect for new players, while Veteran provides an intense test for seasoned operatives. The main story generally takes around 8 hours to complete, but this can vary based on your chosen difficulty and exploration. Remember, you can always change your difficulty mid-mission if you need to adjust the challenge. The campaign immerses you in a variety of gameplay experiences, from covert spy activities to explosive set pieces. You'll navigate through 11 main missions, some offering open-world elements. Between missions, you can visit your safe house, a central hub where you'll gather intel, solve puzzles, and invest in upgrades. Always check your in-game backpack to manage your inventory, ensuring you have the right tools for every situation. To maximize your enjoyment and success in the campaign, always keep an eye on your health and armor. Utilize cover effectively and be mindful of enemy positions. The game encourages you to experiment with various combat styles and weaponry, so don't hesitate to try new loadouts. After completing the story, consider replaying missions on a harder difficulty like Veteran to unlock more rewards and truly master the game's challenges.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.